Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I have breaking news. 2 are dead, 50 are injured in a train crash near Casey, South Carolina. An Amtrak train slammed into a CSX freight train. 50 are injured. They were seen walking the tracks in a daze like the Walking Dead. Everyone's off the train. 8 crewmen are on the train, 139 passengers. This thing slammed to the freight train. The engine and several cars of the passenger train derailed, and this is the second Amtrak crash involving fatalities in the last week, and the third in the last month. It's starting to give me pause about taking Amtrak to Los Angeles, because I don't think some of these guys know how to drive a train, or they can't see. They can probably see. I can probably see better than they can. Sorry. With one eye. It's scaring the hell out of me. Can't they see a freight train on the other track? Or isn't someone working their diligence in the switching yard if they still have those things? I don't know if it's all automated or not, but it's scary. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I'll post the links. Stay warm and safe out there if you can. And I'd give pause to take Amtrak, at least in the New York to Florida corridor, because I don't think these guys back east can drive a train very well. Bye-bye for now.